Hello guys, this is Regina Daniel. Regina Daniel, big congratulations to you. You see, if you never see something, Mona know the talk. You see, and this one and the proof. My people, I go leave una with the video Mona watch. Oh my God, look at the baby, so cute. Oh my goodness God. I go leave una with the video, my people, make una see her. Mona know the talk with
That's why my heart is a beat like do, cause now you are true, so I baby, I don't care. I sing for you, wanna be like do.
looking so cute. Congrats. Okay. So guys, when I don't watch the video, when I don't see wetin dey, when I don't see when Regina Daniel take born, they just upload, just put the video for Instagram 18 hours ago. And meanwhile, Regina Daniel do a baby shower this very month wey we dey so June 6 months. That is June wey we dey so. Now she do her baby shower. You understand why e be say they no see something they go dey talk am. Obiere never born, una don born the pikin put for her hand before. Na this month so na Regina Daniel na she deliver. Oh my God. Oh, congratulations my darling sister, big congratulations. I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy. Why I dey speak English now? I just dey happy for you my sister. I really happy for you. See as the baby fine. Oh, that baby too fine. He carry your fineness. He did. You really be Regina Daniel. Regina Daniel na you true be. See as the baby fine, clean finish. Hi, that type of pikin e go make you born her 10 times again. You understand? So I just come again my people. E no good now. Why e be say person never born? Una dey born the pikin put for her hand. Obiere never born. Una don see something for this world. Obiere never born. They just dey born the pikin dey put for her hand. All social media full for Regina Daniel don born, Regina Daniel don born, Regina. Okay, right now make we ask now. Me personal wan ask una now. Wetin Regina Daniel first born and wetin she come born now? I wan know if dem no see boy, dem go see girl. I hear last time say na boy na she born. That was 2 months ago. They say na boy na she born, but now wetin Regina Daniel born now? Because me I still see her now. I say I go shook my mouth, but because I no go see me, I no shook my mouth, but I go fair observe. You know, me I observe this one now. Even when she dey labor, I observe her. Now that's una see the video now. Una don see her. Una see her say e clear. This one no be mago matter. This one no be lie matter. This one no be say your eye no see, your mouth dey talk. You una understand? E go make you observe. If you don observe before you go bring am come out, no be say I hear, I just see one kind fake picture wey they put for Instagram. I wan go talk about am. No, because later the truth fit come out. Una dey understand? From beginning start am go reach the ending, not from center start am go reach e no even end sef. Una dey understand wetin I dey talk my people. So right now me I dey personal dey ask una when e first when e first born the pikin for Regina Daniel hand, wetin Regina Daniel first born before she come born now? Abi na 2 months dey take dey carry belle? Na 2 months na dey take dey born belle? Wetin me I know on my own, you go get the belle till 9 months before you go born. But I see say the post am for Instagram 18 hours ago. I say wow, this one be the real matter. The confirm one don come out. And when she do her baby shower, it was this very month also. When I see the video now, I just say I just shook my mouth small put for inside though. My people, in fact e good though make we dey talk, but we still suffer dey put maggi for inside now. Make we suffer still dey put maggi for inside. No be say you just add all the whole packet of maggi for inside make for sweet. E no go sweet, e go be sugar. E go be sugar. we go talk the truth now, una go say who be that one sef. But the one when we come later talk the truth, na that one na it be the real matter when it dey inside. 80 hours ago, na it dey put this video for inside. Una see am for Instagram now. E full Instagram. Oh, congratulations, my sister. I'm happy for you. I just dey happy for you. I dey happy for you, my darling sister, because e no easy to become a mother. It's not easy. You understand? Although, man, in fact, wetin I wan talk again, because I just dey happy. The joy just e full my body from my head to my toe. The joy just dey, you know, e dey gidigba for my body. Big congratulations to you, Regina Daniel. God bless you and your child. Nothing will befall you, even though they don't fit born the pikin put for your hand, and now you born your real pikin. When it be say you put for your lap, you put for your hand, see how the baby fine. Oh, Regina Daniel, big congratulations. Big congratulations to you, my darling sister. Not like those one where be say they born the pikin before. Oh, that one not be your own. Now you bring your own out. Now everybody see your own. Say Regina Daniel don't true. Regina Daniel don't true bring am out. My people. What did Regina Daniel first born before? Now we dey settle the case. So now the matter dey settled. Now the matter don't reconfirm. It don't settle now. Now this matter settled. Not before. When we say Regina Daniel don't born. No, he don't born. Even here they say na boy. Hey God Almighty, people they carry talk. People they carry Natasha. Oh, hey, they go just arrange am. They go arrange am. You yourself, if you no observe where you go for inside. Although me, not be say I just too for inside though, but I wish her congratulations. And the congratulations, it didn't come to her. You understand? I wish her congratulations when I first hear. I say, oh, this one a good thing, oh. Congratulations, my darling sister. So this one, I mean, I don't come, I mean, personal joy amongst don't come out. Now come, we should big congratulations, my darling sister. You go get join that pikin where you get so. You go born join this pikin where you born so. If at all they said they born now before you go come born and come out where everybody see now the amount on night they born. You they understand now here. They born their mouth on. So now you they born your own now. Where everybody to the whole world. Hey, Regina Daniel go born. You no go. I tell labor no go come out. I tell body pikin no go come out. Where for the hospital no go come out. They go they brief come. Oh my goodness. God have mercy on them. Oh yes, that's it. So they don't fit born the pikin on their own. So now the world want to join you, congratulate you. Me personally, I dey give you boza congratulations. I dey play band put bata for that congratulations. When I dey congratulate you, my darling sister. Big congratulations to Regina Daniel. God bless you. Bye bye. Thank you. No, not only bye bye. Thank you for watching. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hey, you know what they laugh. Even though you dey vex, click on. You go laugh. You go laugh tire. You no go vex again. The vex go come out. You go laugh. You go smile. You go relax. Continue laughing again. You understand now? So just click that bell. Click on. Make sure say that bell. Put am for the one wey go dey alert you. Kpaka. You don dey aboard the joy or mocks don come again. You know, we don't complete two now. We be one. I just be only one. I'm not too fat. I'm not too big. If you see me now, we won't cover my neck. Oh, you see, I'm not the person when he fat. I'm not the person when he big. I'm not the person when he wide. Now only this laugh. I must laugh. I must smile. Anything when I did do. You see, vaccination not they did this eye. As you see this ass is small. So vaccination not they enter. My darling sister, my darling brother, my people, my father, my mother. More now subscribe for me. Press that notification bell. Make my message dey alert you anytime, any day. Then you go know say your monks don see enter body again. No mind this title. You understand me? It's too wide. No worry. Very soon it go close. Okay. So my people, may you help me, join me, congratulate Regina Daniel. It's not easy. Yeah. It's not easy, really. It's not easy. So may we not forget you like if you watch my video, help me share out to the world. Let them see, let them watch, let them witness, let them see, make them comment. I bet if you watch my video, don't forget to comment. Drop comment down below. Now I go tell you say you come to my house. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you all my fans. Thank you, my people that is watching my video. God bless you all. As you watch my video, man, no go. Wait till they speak English for now. Me myself don't tire for myself. Oh, I don't still come again. I not complete. be two na only me one na dey on board, you understand na? I don still come again, I no dey speak English. If I wan miss, I dey return back. You know say if you wan watch video now, you go rewind down back. So me, I dey rewind down back, you understand? My people, you like, you share, you know. Thank you as una dey watch my video. Everybody when dey watch my video, God go bless all of una as una take dey watch my video. Thank you all. Bye bye.